Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21, where we share what's trending in and around the Caribbean. If it's your first time joining, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. So, today I want to talk about Colaz TV meeting up with Vincent World Boss, aka Mr. Ralph Gonsalves, Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So, for the Vincent Independence celebration, we saw where Colaz TV, a Jamaican content creator that obviously loves St. Vincent and the Grenadines. This was his third trip to the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and we saw him meeting up with the Prime Minister. And I've been doing a lot of videos about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And in one of the recent videos that I did with the Prime Minister, Ralph Gonsalves, with his presentation at the United Nations, what I've realized is that he is a well-loved figure in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And just watching the interview with Colaz TV kind of gave me more of an insight on the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Not only is he obviously, he's very politically, what I would say, he studied, I think, political science at the University of the West Indies. So he's someone that knows how to move around in terms of politically. He has been the Prime Minister, the longest serving Prime Minister in the Caribbean now. And he seemed to be a very down-to-earth Prime Minister. And I think that is a perfect recipe for why, when I did that video the other day, I realized that he's such a love figure in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I know that there are people that are of the belief that he's in power for too long, but watching that video, I'm wondering, is it that he's just such a good political figure, he knows which button to push, he knows, he's, Vinci first, he takes care of the people, and seems to be a down-to-earth. So let's watch this interview that Colaz TV did with Prime Minister of St. Vincent, Mr. Ralph Gonsalves, and I'm going to talk about it right after this.
Alright guys, greetings again. So we're here with the Dr. Honorable Ralph Gonsalves, blessings, Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Alright sir, so my name is Miguel. We run a YouTube channel called Colaz TV, as you can see. Alright, so this is our third visit to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So the first time we came, we were met with so much love, from the people. So we decided that we're gonna visit again.
And you met a very talented artist named Shanique Stewart.
Yeah. So after Hurricane Beryl, we saw the disaster, and trust me, kind of break our hearts, to see how badly the people were affected, especially down Union Island. So we came, and with the support of our subscriber, we have currently 170,000. That's persons who follow our journey on YouTube, right? And we came together and basically came shortly after Hurricane Beryl. Took some supplies down by Union Island, and just kind of give back to the people, because of the love that they showed to us.
Thanks very much. Yeah, where in Jamaica are you from?
Alright, so originally I'm from St. Mary, right at the border of Portland and
I know St. Mary, Banana Country.
Yes.
Land of Berries Hammond.
Yes, and Cape Town.
Yes.
So, we're right at the border there. Yeah, but, so our YouTube...
I live in Jamaica for 7 years,
Really? Yeah, we're in Jamaica.
At Mona, I was a student for 5 years at UE. Then I left and went away, did my PhD, and came back to teach at the university, and then they transferred me. I taught there for 2 years. They transferred me then to UE Barbados.
Okay.
That's the before you were born.
I can imagine. So, all right. So currently, I have 3 teams. One of which is some of your citizens, including Miss Stewart here.
Yes.
Yeah, she's the team leader for our St. Vincent and the Grenadines team. And like I mentioned, we were doing some.
She sent me a very beautiful email about yourself.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah. Well, they tend to give me a little bit more credit than probably I deserve, but yeah. But we try our best, you know. You can check out the channel in your own time, and you'll see some of the work that we do.
Okay.
And now we're back to distribute some more stuff to the people. We currently have over 15 barrels, right? Yeah. Over 15 barrels, you know, that were sponsored.
What do you have in the barrels?
Food, clothes,
okay,
everything, a little bit of everything. Okay. School supplies.
Okay, very good.
So, like I mentioned, I always tell people that this is my second home. You know,
very
because
good.
I came and I fall in love with the country. Very beautiful.
Well, you know, St. Vincent and Grenadines is a smaller version of Jamaica.
I know. I know.
Similar topography. Though we have black sand beaches and white sand beaches because of the volcano, because we have volcanic origin on the mainland.
We're yet to see the volcano, but hopefully we will.
Yeah, but the islands in the Grenadines are of coral formation. That's why the beaches are white.
Yeah, we love the beaches too. We do a bit of spear fishing and, you know. Beautiful fishing country. Beautiful sailing waters. Yes, man. The last time we were here, we went diving and we...
Okay, so that was the interview. And what I've gained from this interview is that, and for watching Prime Minister Gonsalves, is that in politics, especially in the Caribbean, there are a lot of doctors and, you know, people with their doctorate, a lot of lawyers, a lot of highly educated people in politics. But it's one thing to be educated in different areas. But what I've realized, the Prime Minister, the leaders in the Caribbean that pretty much study political science, they seem to know how to win elections. They seem to have like a natural thing about them being around the people. Like you see the leadership showing up in a different way than for just someone who is a lawyer that went into politics, someone with their doctorate in finance or whatever. Like when you see the movement around the people, it is just so different. And it's obvious with Ralph Gonsalves, the way how he operated. As I said, he's a political leader, studied political science, but he just seemed to be very down to earth. When you see him interacting with Colaz TV, the same way how you see him with Vibes Cartel, like just so natural. And when I was watching that, what came to mind is that when you think about the leaders in the Caribbean, in the West Indies, the standout names in the West Indies seem to be Prime Minister Mia Mottley from Barbados, President Ali from Guyana, and Ralph Gonsalves. Those 3 names seem to just stand out when we talk about the Caribbean/West Indies. And what I realized, what is so funny about this, or not funny, but what is so crazy about this, I've been following most of these leaders in the Caribbean, and Mia Mottley, a few months ago, met with Wadamaya. Wadamaya is an African YouTuber. She met with Wadamaya as a content creator. President Ali met with the same Wadamaya and another content creator from Ghana. And when I look at it and I saw, like, even when you look at Trinidad and you look at Jamaica, you see all of these content creators from Africa who is bringing value to Jamaica, who are on a mission in the Caribbean, in Trinidad and Tobago, like shedding light on the beauty of Trinidad and Tobago, of Jamaica, of different places in the Caribbean. And I've always thinking, why is it that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, why didn't he meet up with like a Wodemaya? Because Wodemaya was on a mission to kind of connect the continent of Africa with the Caribbean. And to see, when you look and you see like President Ali took the opportunity and said, yo, these guys are in Guyana, let's meet up with them, because connecting the Caribbean to Africa is one of our main priority. And he met up with them. When we see like Mayor Motley meeting up with Wodemaya, and you look at with Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves meeting up with Colaz TV, who is just a regular YouTuber who just having success out of YouTube. And you see that these three leaders in the Caribbean must be special for a reason. Because I think that like in the other islands, maybe if it was like a CNN or some mainstream media coming to their country to highlight their country in certain things, they would have made the time to meet up with them. But I just have the feeling that in Jamaica, in Trinidad, that they're seeing content creators coming and doing stuff, and they're like, just a regular content creator, I don't have time for that. But these three leaders made time, and that's what stood out to me with Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves meeting up with Colaz TV. Because Colaz TV obviously have a love for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And, you know, being in St. Vincent earlier this year myself, like, is a place that you just have to fall in love with. It's beautiful, especially if you love the ocean. There's not a better place in the world where you can go for ocean activity like snorkeling, diving, sailing than St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And the fact that the Prime Minister took his time out for a regular vlogger, invited him to Independence Brunch, sat down and talked to him, like show you that he's pretty much down to earth. You know, so guys, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think that, you know, the Prime Minister Gonsalves, do you think that Mayor Motley, do you think that President Ali from Guyana, do you think they're just more different, more down to earth than other leaders in the Caribbean? Or you think I'm just reading into this thing way too deep? Sound off, let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.